African kitchen. What you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African kitchen. What you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African mama, let me feel that taste. I can't wait no longer for the steel on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my hands. African kitchen, what you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African kitchen, what you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African mama, let me feel that taste. I can't wait no longer for the steel on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my...
Good people at home, hey, it's so nice to be here once again. I am Buki Ogunote. This is another time for your #1 television cookery program, African Kitchen. Now it's starting. So I want you to sit down, sit back, relax, look for a bottle of Coke or any beverage that is of your choice and settle down to enjoy this with me. This episode promises to be entertaining, interesting, exciting as usual because I have a guest with me here today. Before I bring in my guest, let me quickly say a very big thank you to all of you who have been coming out in your different forms to at least to tell us one thing or the other. All the feedbacks and everything we've been getting has been helping us. They've been helping us to really get better. Thank you so much. But don't stop them from coming in. And for you out there that you're still procrastinating, come and be part of us. What business is it that you're doing? What exactly is it that you want us to showcase to the whole world for you? African Kitchen is the best. I'll be right back. My guest is waiting. Let's do the business in which we know how to do best. Cooking. I'll see you after this break. Okay, you're welcome back, viewers. Yes, this is African Kitchen. Let me bring in my guests. All the way from where? You'll get to know where she comes in. Don't be in a hurry as usual, but I'll tell you her name. Join me as I welcome into the kitchen, Lady Mrs. my darling sister, Latifat Olade. Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma.
I have told them your name, but peradventure somebody is just coming in. They're like, who is this person? So I want you to please come in, ma. Tell the viewers at home your name once again, where you're from, and what you're doing presently. All right.
Okay. My name is Mrs. Bumi Latifat Olagoke. I'm a doctor at Lago Practitioners Clinic and Maternity Home. I'm from Ibadan.
Hey, Ibadan,
Oluyole.
Ibi ole ti ń gbé jàre Ọlọ́run. Escape be.
Oh, ma fi kara
sorry mo. Ibi ole ti ń gbé jàre Ọlọ́run. If they ask them, how is it? This is not good. I want to say
because we don't like dirty. We don't like seeing dirty things.
Can you imagine? When you just keep it off. Why did you look at you? This thing does not belong to you. Why do you have to go and steal that thing? And you want to say, baby,
don't steal it.
Must you look at it like that?
We don't like dirty things now. They're not, you know, we don't like dirty things.
The doctor. Hey, medically, how has it been so far?
Thank God, thank God.
Okay, what's your own line of, the medical line, the profession? Are you just a physician?
Traditional.
Oh, alternative therapy. Oh, beautiful.
Yes.
Hey, Oluwa ku ise o. Please, you're in for a wonderful time today. Okay, what have you come here to prepare for us today, ma?
I've come to make ila alasepo.
Wow. Okay.
As you can see, we have our okra here.
Okay.
Then there's this medicinal vegetable that I'm going to use.
Okay.
Though some people knows it, but it's not that common. Yes.
Which one is that?
I mean the uziza leaf. People are not using it like that. But it's,
so uziza is highly medicinal.
Medicinal, yeah.
Beautiful.
It's good for your heart.
Really?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Please be getting it.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're using uziza.
Yes.
We're using locust beans.
Locust beans.
Okay.
Okra. We are using uziza leaf, locust beans, okra, fresh pepper, fresh fish, dry fish, palm oil, then cow skin, that's pomo, salt, then seasoning cube.
Okay.
Then we still have our grounded crayfish and potash.
Potash, which we all know as corn.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the locust beans, popularly known as iru.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah. All right, viewers, don't go anywhere. Stay right there. When we come back, we'll be preparing ila alasepo. Some people, when they prepare ila alasepo, forget it turn to water. It will not draw. But here, either it draws or it doesn't. Just to know that you'll be eating something medicinal, something good for your heart. Hold on, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. It is still African Kitchen, and I'm here with my sister. Yeah, welcome back, viewers. I'm still here with my Alaja to be very, very soon.
Yes, so.
Okay, all right. Now we want to start cooking. She wants to prepare ila alasepo. With the ila alasepo, there is nothing you cannot use it to eat, right?
Yes.
Ejekabe. Okay, you want to parboil the fish.
Yeah.
Just watch our style. I'm sure you'll love it. Okay. You're adding
seasoning cube.
Okay, so
Yeah.
to season the fish.
Yeah. Then pinch of salt.
Is it the same thing we're going to use to cook the okra too? Or
Yes, I'm going to add more water.
Okay.
Later because I'm going to remove the fish.
Fish.
I will remove it.
Beautiful. So I can cover this.
Yes.
All right. Nowadays, people have been talking more about kidney problem, this and that, and people have been coming out with series of ways to cleanse your kidney.
Actually, kidney problem, a lot of things slowly result to see. Maybe from what we are eating.
Okay.
Like all this, the bad Georgia and Samaripa, we have a lot of drinks. All this.
Okay, yes, all those herbal stuff. Oh,
they
really?
are many in the market, and not all of them need to go through traditional medicine board.
Oh, beautiful. I believe you can hear that some of us, we are fond of drinking. I don't want to mention names so that they won't say we are condemning some.
Exactly.
But you know what we are talking about.
Yes.
I know about, in those days, yo-yo bitters. I know about Swedish bitters. And they are very effective.
Yes.
When they saw the effectiveness, some other people came out with other ones. But how do we know which one has gone through the screening board and which one has not?
If you check the bottle, there used to be this the registration number. Okay. Some have not that number, some did not. Yes. Anyone that is registered, you see it on the plastic.
Plastic.
Yes.
Okay, so without the ones without bottle, people without the number, people should not go near them. Then what about the ones even with the number? Some people do abuse it.
From those small bottles, there are some that you're supposed to take for like 3 times. Okay. Yeah. There are some that you're supposed to take like maybe for a whole week. But we just open and
just because it has alcohol.
Exactly.
And they like alcohol, they will just some of them will even go to the extent of mixing them with energy drink.
Yes.
So how do we now cleanse this kidney? There are some, they will tell you, get guava leaves, boil them and drink like tea. It cleanses the kidney.
Yes.
And is it true that guava leaves are good, and which one are the other things that we can use?
Yes, the guava leaf do work. It works very well.
Oh, beautiful. So you sanction that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, the guava leaf.
Okay.
Is very, very effective.
Okay.
Yeah, also pear. Pear leaves are also very, very effective. Yes.
Okay. Pear leaf too. This same pear that we are eating.
Yes.
So when we boil it, how do they use it?
Like
okay.
We normally have this small cup. This measuring. How do I call it? They normally put it on top of the seaman. That's
okay. Shot.
Yes.
Shot. That's one shot that they said they shot.
Yes. Yes.
So do I bring water for you now?
Sure. Yes, ma'am.
You see now? I'll try.
Yes.
But I think it's okay. Because okra.
Yes.
Okay. So
now I'm adding my dry fish.
Okay. Mind you, the same water we go ahead, ma. The same water we used to boil the fish is what we're using, which is good.
You can see I'm putting in everything.
Okay.
This is the crayfish. Yes, so
that is what we are preparing.
Then this is the
locust beans.
I'm not going to use everything.
Oh, you don't want to use everything? Okay.
But the water also is very, very important.
Locust is very good though. It's one of those things you can,
yes.
when you have stomach upset, you just blend, eat a lot of them. That's the pepper. Really a lot of
I don't want it to be too pepperish.
Well, it's too pepperish. About the pepperish, I'm a fan of pepperish. Scrape I know you, because of the nature of your job, you always want to take time to do things.
Exactly.
Okay. That is good. I just want to bring this fish down. Okay.
Okay.
So,
I will still need to add more seasoning.
Okay, the seasoning, to be sure. So you were talking about the measurements of the cup. So yes. What are we?
That's short.
Okay.
That short, you can take 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 2 at night.
Oh, that is after boiling the...
Yes.
How long are we going to boil those leaves for?
Within 30 to 40 minutes is okay.
Beautiful. All those things would have come out.
Yeah. Then it's not something that you can boil and keep unless you preserve it.
Oh,
we have a way of preserving it, yes.
How do we preserve? Good. Tell us. These are the things we want to know.
Good.
God bless you. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So we're talking about how you can prevent kidney problems. So she's taking us through some leaves. She has mentioned guava leaves, pear leaf, and they said this leaves too, ephiri. Saint leaf.
Yes, saint leaf
too is also good. Yeah. You can use it to cleanse your kidney.
Once you boil it, you allow it to cool.
Cool.
Yeah. Then sieve the leaf.
Okay.
Sieve it. Then pour it inside maybe
ever bottle or any container.
Exactly. Then you now look for pepper. All this Nta Ijebu Ode.
Oh, those tiny dried pepper.
Exactly.
Okay.
Get few of it, like maybe like 8 to 10.
Okay.
Yes. Then pour it, rinse it, and pour it inside.
Just like that.
Only that.
Yeah.
Yes. It will preserve the concoction for at least for good 2 weeks. It's still okay.
Wow.
Yes.
And I'll be taking it like that.
Yes.
But if I decide to put it in the refrigerator,
sure, you can.
Should I put the Nta Ijebu Ode?
Yes.
Would it be pepperish?
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it will not come out. This is a very good one. Now, can I boil the guava leaf, pear leaf, and saint leaf, 3 of them? Can I boil them together and go through the same process?
Yes.
Bye-bye to kidney failure. Bye-bye to kidney failure. Oh, in the name of all this, bye-bye to kidney. So why are people still worried or probably still for ignorance? Then information is the key.
Exactly.
Information.
I deal with infertility.
Mama!
Yes,
for both male and female, I be only male.
Both male and female. Sherry, kan tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa mọ̀ ni pé kò ń ṣe obìnrin nìkan. Ló máa ń ní ìdádúró.
Please, I want you to get that. What many of us do not understand or know is that it's not only woman that has delay. So that means the men too also have delay. Please fire go. Fire go.
So what we do is, let's assume that somebody comes to me and say, mommy, I've not been able to conceive, or I've not been able to conceive ever since I get married.
Okay.
Well, what I used to do is that I will ask her of her history. Do you have any medical history?
History.
If she said no, then I will tell her to go and do test. Both her and her husband must go for test.
Okay.
Yes.
So the result of the test will now determine the treatment you recommend.
Exactly.
Oh, so the result of the test has to, let me help you.
Yes.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Because most of the time we'll just be hearing, agony, she's barren. Not all women are barren.
Oh, beautiful.
Some men are also barren. Yes, due to what they ate or what they took. Yes.
It's sweet enough. So stop putting the blames on the women all the time.
Most of these men, you see, because of this alcoholic of a thing,
it has killed all their spermatozoa sperm count. That brings me to another one. What of a man that from the test, the result came that he has 0 sperm count?
You know, everything depends on God.
I know.
Because somebody that has a 0, to boost it, at least when you have something, let's assume, okay, as this okra is now, no, okay, we have okra. If it's not enough, can say, okay, let's buy more.
That's true. Already the okra is there. Exactly. But the one that there is nothing at all.
It's only God that can do that one.
So you don't have any remedy for that?
What we said that we
take care, but it's only God that heals.
Exactly.
Okay. What can be the cause of infertility in men? Okay, you have said alcohol at times, lifestyle, life. So that means anybody with 0 count. Oh, this one is not ugu leaves.
It's not.
Please,
it's uziza.
That is why it's going first. Uziza leaf. Oh yeah, please no, it is not ugu, it is uziza. I'm sure that's why she's adding it. Yes. It will bring the aroma out.
Exactly.
And it will help it to cook, to soften a little bit. Now I understand why it's going in. There is this thing that happens in a man, one of the scrotums, one neck point, that's okay. They do operation, they call it hernia or something. Can that thing be as a result, the infertility in the man? Can it come as a result of that operation?
No, it can't.
Okay, cannot continue.
That one is a different thing entirely.
Entirely.
Yes.
It is well, okay?
Now,
the okra.
Yes.
The okra.
Yes, so.
This is good. And once the okra goes in, what's a party?
Yes.
What more is remaining? That means we're still going to add this one back.
That one will be the last one to put.
So you watch it the way you're going to put water.
Yes. So that it will not sour.
So that it will not be swimming in water. And this uziza leaf, as she has rightly said, is good for the heart.
Yes.
Heart too works a lot. So can I squeeze this uziza? Does it have water? Is it possible to squeeze it?
But you have to add water to it before you can squeeze it out.
Okay. So I will now extract it, sieve it well, and drink the water. Can I drink the water?
You can drink the water.
Highly medicinal.
Yes.
All these things, it's not that we do not know. It's the time to sit down and do most of these things.
That was the reason why we prefer the orthodox medicine, because it's readily made.
Okay. And there's nothing as good as doing it naturally.
And it's still working, it's still effective.
Okay. I'm sure some of you might be wondering why she didn't use potash. She said it's not necessary that she use. But if you're the type that can't cook without it, it doesn't stop you from using it. Please go ahead. Depends on what an individual likes. This is more like vegetable soup that we are cooking. All we need to do is just leave it, let it steam just for a few minutes so that you don't overcook it, and it is done. Thank you so much, madam. This is done. What can I use this type of soup to eat?
We can use it for eba.
Okay.
Fufu.
I would prefer eba.
Semo.
Well, I would prefer eba. Oh, yes, I prefer eba. Eba, either gari, Igbo, or gari, Ijebu, whatever. I prefer eba. It goes. So we can use it for semo, pando yam. Yes. What else?
Fufu.
Fufu.
All solid. Even wheat.
Oh, beautiful. Then amala. That brings me to
amala. Yes.
Thank you so much. This is ready because this vegetable is not supposed to overcook.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma. We have really learned a lot. Please make use of what you've learned. To stay healthy is to stay alive. Yes. Life has no duplicate. Yes. I'll see you on the table. The program is still African Kitchen. Thanks for staying tuned. Don't go away. Welcome back, viewers. It's nice to have you back. My guest is so much in a hurry. He said, Koshe Durowo. Uncle, what's your name? And this is one that you are eating even before the introduction. Let's meet you. What's your name, sir?
Well, my name is Shako.
Shako?
Yeah, people call me Shako.
Shako?
Yes.
What do you do, sir?
I'm a Baba.
You're a Baba. Ah, this is looking nice. And you like what you're eating?
Sure.
Seriously? Okay, I will get to that.
It makes sense.
I will get to that very soon. Okay, viewers, settle down with us. Let's eat this together. I'll see you after now. Honestly, it's so good to be back. Let me ask you, you were trying to describe the food backstage when we were eating. So now you're free to pour out your mind. So how did it taste?
First of all, I'm like to with Alaja. Thank you for the food, Alaja. Yes, it's a very good food. Good meal with a great taste. Yes, I appreciate it. It's okay. Everything about food is okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
You're a good man. You first appreciated the person that cooked it. Honestly, that's good. So, you are married, right?
About to.
Oh, about to.
Yes.
It shows that your wife, whenever she cooks or gives you food, whatever, you will first say, thank you, my dear. The food was nice. That's good. That's good. Thank you. So, you enjoyed it?
Yes.
100%.
I enjoy this.
Well, I can see that because you're still feeling it. It's still going on. Thank you very much, ma, for coming. We invited you and you honor us. The Lord will honor you.
Amen.
Thank you. Peradventure, you missed it while we were in the kitchen. Please, let's watch what we eat. Like today, we have just eaten uziza leaf plus okra. Uziza leaf is very medicinal. It's good for the heart. Ewe yere too. And I don't know the botanical name for that yere. I don't know the English name. But if they can get away yere, it's good also. Yeah. For what? For the kidney or for the heart?
It's for the heart. It works for the heart. It's work for digestion.
Good. It eases digestion.
Digestion.
Oh, beautiful. So don't forget guava leaves,
scent leaf,
and pear leaf. You can boil them together. Let it simmer about 10 minutes. Store in a cool place. If you want to keep it for about a week or two, look for this tiny pepper. After you just see that they call it, just drop about 4 inside. Keep it like that. And you'll be taking a shot or two, once or twice daily. You're good to go. Watch out for your urine. See how your urine will be, Abi?
Yes.
It will cleanse it. You will not fall sick.
Amen.
Thank you so much. Thank you, viewers, for staying tuned. On this note, I want to sign out on this episode of African Kitchen. Join me again next week as we'll be bringing another episode onto you. I told you on African Kitchen, anything is possible. Yes. Not nakedness, not bad things, but good things. You're sure to learn more. I'll see you next week. From us, We say bye-bye.
Bye.
I remain Buki Ogunote. I'll join you next week.